Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside Cordless Vehicle Impact Wrench Model PASSK 20 Li-A1. Battery including 20V Li-ion 4Ah, compatible with all tools in the Parkside X20V Team series. That means this battery you can use it with all Parkside tools. 5 pre-selectable torch levels: 100, 150, 200, 300 and 400 Newton meter. No load rotation speed is from 0 to 2300 RPM. Impact rate is from 0 to 3000 RPM. Square drive 1 from 2. Accessories included inside: 4 socket wrenches, 17, 19, 21 and 23 millimeters. 3 years warranty, designed in Germany, Li-ion technology. Plus X award, honored as the best product of the year 2019. Plus X award 2019 achieved for design, easy to use and functionality. Well, nice all that. Let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can work with that. Ooh, nice and beautiful tool. Of course, inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. 4 socket wrenches from 17, 19, 21 and 23 millimeters. You can see. Okay. Made from chrome vanadium. Okay, nice. Feels very heavy, very durable. We've got the charger. It belongs, of course, to the Parkside X20V team. You can charge all these batteries of the 20V team series. It is a 4.5 amp max, and when you're going to charge it, you will hear a noise. It has an internal fan to cool down all the parts inside when you're charging your battery. Nice. And there is the tool. Oh yeah. Battery with the 3 LED indicators, how much juice you've got inside, and you need to charge it. You can charge this battery from 0 to 100% in 60 minutes with this charger. Ergonomic design with a non-slip soft grip and practical belt clip. Feels very nice to my hand. We've got the on-off switch, left and right button, and the center is lock. Working light, of course, you can see here. And down here we've got the adjustment for the Newton meter from 400, 300, 200, 150 and 100. Now let's check. 400, 300, 200, 150 and 100. Nice. Well, I can say it feels very nice, very durable. Feels something premium to my hand. Very easy to change the rounds. Nice. And of course, to charge the battery, take this out. Green light. Red is charging, and as I told you, there is a fan. You can hear the fan, and it's charging. And when fully charged, it automatically stops. Well, I think it's time to test it to see what kind of power it can give us. Now here we are. I'm going to start with the 100 Newton per minute. $150, $200, $300, and there's the first one. Nice. Now let's try to the other one. Let's go to 400 maximum. side and the other one. Well, that is very disappointing. Only one. Well, let's put that inside. The only bolt that I managed to take out. Now I'm going to try to take out then the other two. Oh, there we've got one. That was easy. Nope, nothing. 2 of 5, take it out. Okay, that is disappointing. I don't know, I think the other 3 bolts are very tight. That's why it cannot manage to take this bolt out. Only 2 from 5. Let's put it again inside. Thumbs down, only 2 from 5. And now it's time to use it at the wood. The thickness is 9.5 centimeter. The first screw is 9 centimeter the diameter, and the second screw is 22 centimeter the diameter. And I will use this wrench 13 millimeter. And of course you can use other wrench on 30 millimeter and 24 millimeter. And with the extension, depends how you want to work. But now let's start with the 13 millimeter and the 9 centimeter screw. I will start with 100 Newton per meter. Okay, next we can go to 150. On 200. $300. And the last is the maximum in 400. That will be more easy. Great. As we increasing the Newton per meter, it goes faster. Now let's try in this screw. 22 centimeters the length. I will start at maximum. And that was very easy. Great power at the wood, of course. At the car it was more difficult. 2 of the 5 screws I managed to take it out, the other 3 was very tight and it was difficult. Well, let's take it out. Ooh, it's hot. Now let's take out and the other screws from here. Nice and easy. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside Cordless vehicle impact wrench. You have seen what it can do. Definitely thumbs up, it's doing a great job at the hood. At my wheels of my vehicle, thumbs down, only 2 bolts from the total 5 bolts that I have in my wheel. And because I do have this impact drive and definitely is doing a great job with these screws at the hood, I have made other videos in the past, you can check right in the corner and down below in the description. I think I will not keep this because it didn't manage to do the job at the wheel of my car. That's for it is your choice, what do you want to do, you want to buy it or not. Tell me your thoughts down below in the comments, ask what you want and definitely you will get an answer. Tell me if you're thinking to buy this tool or you have it and it has managed to take the bolts from the wheel. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.